Welcome to Better Sleep in 1 Month.
Are you struggling to get quality sleep? This guide will show you a practical, week-by-week approach to improve your sleep patterns over the next month. By following these simple steps, you'll create healthy routines that lead to more rest, better focus, and a greater sense of well-being.
Week 1. Set the foundation.
Start with small changes. Pick a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Reduce screen use at least 30 minutes before sleep. Make gradual adjustments to your sleeping environment, like dimming lights and lowering noise. These easy steps help signal to your body that it's time to wind down.
Week 2. Create a calming routine.
Establish a relaxing bedtime ritual. Read, stretch, or practice mindfulness in the hour before you sleep. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals late in the day. Stick to your set sleep times as much as possible, reinforcing your new schedule and letting your body adjust naturally.
Week 3. Address obstacles.
Identify and tackle what interrupts your sleep. Keep a simple journal to track any patterns, like stress, noise, or inconsistent routines. Experiment with changes. Try blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or gentle breathing exercises to settle your mind and body before bed.
Week 4. Maintain and fine-tune.
Build on your progress by staying consistent. Assess what's working and what's not. Make small tweaks, such as adjusting your bedtime or adding new relaxation habits. Celebrate the improvements you notice, from more energy during the day to easier mornings.
Lasting better sleep habits.
Transforming your sleep takes time, patience, and consistency. By following this 4-week guide, you're setting yourself up for lasting change. Prioritize sleep as part of your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of healthier, more restful nights.